Hello everyone, welcome to Food vs Sharma with me Pooja this time. Today I have plated down the most enjoyed delicacy of we youngsters. Winter smoked chicken. Yes, we'll prepare a chicken kebab platter in our kitchen, that too with simply no effort and great taste. Without delaying further, let's copy the restaurant taste of chicken kebab using only things available in our kitchen. So here I have taken around 500 grams of boneless chicken, 2 tablespoons of curd, add salt as per your taste, 1 tablespoon of milk powder. There we have the mixture of ginger, garlic and chili. Proportion of chili would depend on your taste. So I have taken 2 tablespoons of this mixture. Along with it, we'll add some homemade garam masala, 1 teaspoon, Kashmiri red chili powder, 1 teaspoon, and to this we'll add 2 tablespoons of corn flour and 50 grams of grated cheese. Now mix everything well. And let it marinate for around 30 minutes. 30 minutes wait is over now. Now we'll give it a final mix. And one by one we'll put it into the skewers. I have used the oven skewers. You can take bamboo skewers as well. Don't forget to rinse it before use. We are keeping 5 to 6 pieces in each skewer. Now we'll heat up the pan with oil and butter. Add them into batches and make sure to keep it on low flame. Keep turning once done from each side. Once cooked well, we'll move on to get the smoky flavor of the chicken. I have used here the direct flame of coal with woods. If not available with you, you can finish it on oven flame also. But to have the exact restaurant flavor, try to get the woody flame. Now you can see our juicy mouth-watering chicken kebab is ready to be grabbed on. Serve the chicken kebab with some green chutney and sliced onions. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel if not done yet. Until next video, stay tuned.